Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp lagging problem on iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and when you open your WhatsApp facing lag problem in your WhatsApp, so guys, simply you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, main reason of your lagging problem is internet connection. So guys, first of all you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if not connected, then guys you need to connect first, and guys if you're using mobile data, then guys you need to turn on your mobile data. And guys, after doing this, the second step is you need to check that VPN is connected or not from here, as you can see. So guys, if any kind of VPN is connected on your device, simply you need to disconnect your VPN. And guys, third is you need to check your network problem. So guys, simply you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone. And guys, after doing this, you need to click on reset and reset network settings. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. And guys, the another reason is your WhatsApp update problem. So guys, simply you need to open your app store here, and guys here you need to search WhatsApp. As you can see, simply you need to open your WhatsApp here, and guys you need to update your WhatsApp from here, as you can see. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. And guys, another main reason is iOS version problem. So guys, you need to open your settings here, click on general, and guys click on software update. And guys, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after doing all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.